4 boxes of Prizm Draft Picks Football 2019. Is it? No más. I don't care if you guys want to buy me out of everything I have in stock. You can do it tomorrow. When I have a full sleep. Took Prizm number 2, huh? Payne Manning blue. Mayfield. John Elway, we got Joe Namath, silver. Yeah, right. Bing, Dan Marino. Bing, you gotta make it go ping. You want my Amazon wish list? And Paris Campbell is your rookie. No, let's leave it right now. The Tiger. Drew Lock, look at that. Well, all kinds of Drew Lock today. Second Drew Lock. And your autograph, whoa, man, Prizm cards just slipping out of my hands, is Eric Dungy. This is a Dungy's kid, right? Tony's kid? No, that's Tony's kid. I'll throw the 6 points on the website for you. Tony Dorsett, the Duck. Anthony Johnson, Anthony Rumble Johnson, silver. Aaron Rodgers. Well, he's not very dark himself. Rodney Anderson. Payne Manning. I thought it was. AJ Green. And your autograph is TJ Edwards. Oops. University of Wisconsin. Go Badgers. Go Badgers. No, I'm curious. And nobody will. You guys are sitting right in front of a computer. Oh no, his dad's names are Tim. Tim and Cindy Dungy. Not Tony's. He's Daniel Jones's backup. Earl Campbell. Sam Darnold. Prizm 1 broke. Broke and gone already. Roger Staubach. Evo. Wookie. Bucky. DK Metcalf for the Seahawks. Bosa. Nick Bosa out of Ohio State. And your autograph. Hell no. Ain't going nowhere. Shit. David Bloch out of Purdue. Brandon, I'm ready to knock the fuck out. David Blah is the Lions. All right, last box. Good luck. Minus 3 in next. Who did Dudgy or Blah? Kerryon Johnson. What? That's right. So, what's his name? Shirt, right? Devin Singletary. This kid's gonna be good for the Bills. Go the Roosters. Sparty. Baker Mayfield. Yeah. And they didn't draft a quarterback this year, right? Will Greer for the Panthers. Nice. So rookie. Nope, that's a nice one. Deshaun Watson. Half of my 2 Deshaun Watson PSA 10s. Last autograph is Justice Hansen. Out of Arkansas State University. Razorbacks. Justice Hansen. He is not drafted. Oh, he's on the Chargers. He's on the Chargers practice squad. Thank you, Aaron. I'll throw those $6 on the website for you. It's website credit. Oh, I want to.